वो पूछता है फिल्म कहाँ तक देखी, तो फिर वो बोलती है कि पूरी देखी, आपकी तरह आधे में ना थकूं. We speak about Shubmangal Savdhan especially. When I had heard the film, you know, of course it's dealing with a sexual taboo. The first person who reads the script after me is my mother. Are you mad? She's like, please do it right now because this is a path-breaking film.
Absolutely.
वो बोलती है जी कपड़े चेंज कर रहे हैं, कहाँ जाऊँ? तो आयुष्मान बोलता है यही कर लो. ये ठीक है, और वो शुरू हो जाती है. हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम भूमि पेडनेकर.
You know, one more, I think, very interesting part as far as the choices of your three films so far has been, which you come across as a strong woman, and which, in a way, I think many are looking up to you. Many young girls, they're looking up to you now because the way you carry yourself, the sort of choices that you're making. Another very interesting part is, and I'm not saying it in a frivolous manner. We've had some really fun interviews.
Yes.
But I'm not saying it in a frivolous manner. The fact is that, you know, you're also playing a woman character who actually makes her husband in Toilet Ek Prem Katha that अभी रात में तो किया था, मॉर्निंग में फिर से क्या करना है.
She has desire.
She has desire, and she accepts it.
Absolutely. And since my first film, actually.
Even first film as well. That you actually tell your husband that it's not you should
आधे में ना थकूं मैं. You know, there's this dialogue in Dam Laga Ke Aisha where she says after their first, you know, encounter with each other, where she says कि वो पूछता है फिल्म कहाँ तक देखी, तो फिर वो बोलती है कि पूरी देखी, आपकी तरह आधे में ना थकूं. So you know, there's a pun, like
absolutely
fully pun intended over that.
शुभमंगल सावधान में तो
आपने मतलब है ही
आपने मार दी. In terms of that actually that yes, a woman can take initiative. It's not, she's not supposed to be the submissive type that it's a man who always takes the initiative. So which is, in a way, if we not look at it in a frivolous manner, is a progressive thing as well, that women, they have desires. And it's about time that people should accept that if a woman is displaying her desires, she doesn't become that woman ki yaar fast
tag
yeah, exactly.
Tag
in the sense ki, yeah, exactly.
Bilkul.
Which is wonderful in a way that which is, you
know,
as progressive as it gets.
This confidence again comes from my house because you know, let me speak about Shubmangal Savdhan especially. When I had heard the film, you know, of course it's dealing with a sexual taboo. You know, there are a lot of times that, you know, the film is such where the entire family is discussing about these two people getting together and हुआ या नहीं हुआ. इतनी progressive film है, and of course I had loved the script, and then I wanted my mother's reaction. And the first person who reads the script after me is my mother.
Right.
You know, sometimes even before me, because I completely trust her. And she read it, and you know, I still had like a few, you know, maybe doubts about it. And she's like, "Are you mad?" She's like, "Please do it right now because this is a path-breaking film.
Absolutely.
You know, this is going to change a lot in your life, and it's going to change a lot of mindsets, and it's hilarious." So you know, that's the kind of family I come from. So you know, every time I've taken a film choice, it's been very easy for me because I come from a place where देखो सबसे ज़्यादा शर्म क्या होती है कि यार जब मेरी मम्मी डैडी देखेंगे तब उनको कैसा लगेगा, मेरे परिवार वाले देखेंगे. जब आपके परिवार वाले आपको इतनी कॉन्फिडेंस देते हैं, then you don't really think about, you know, that what will people think, because it really doesn't matter.
Absolutely.
And you know, again, I feel I've been extremely lucky with the kind of roles I've got. You know, from my first film only एक सुर सेट हो गया था, एक टोन सेट हो गया था, and I'm so lucky कि दम लगा के आयशा मेरी फर्स्ट फिल्म थी. मैं आपको हमेशा ये कहा है कि you know, उस फिल्म की वजह से एक होता है ना कि ठीक है, let's take content to her, let's take characters that are different, let's take characters that you know we can experiment with, because that's what I also love doing. You know, so I was very lucky that I had such amazing writers that have written such brilliant scripts, because you know, kudos to Siddharth and Garima for writing a character like Jaya, क्योंकि वो एक ऐसे टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा के जो मेरे राइटर्स हैं, क्योंकि वो किरदार एक ऐसे इलाके को बिलोंग करती है जहाँ पे लोग अभी तक घूंघट डालते हैं, जहाँ पे यू नो टॉयलेट नहीं है, लेकिन उसका जो परिवार दिखाया है वो एक ऐसे डार्क इलाके में एक ऐसा रे ऑफ होप है. यू नो, शी इज़ द ओनली डॉटर. उसको it might sound sexist, but to explain it in the most crass way, उसको एक लड़के की तरह बड़ा किया गया है. You know, उसको they've pampered her, they've loved, and that has been the case in all my three films. You know, so I've been so lucky that my writers are such progressive people, you know, be it Sharad, be it Hitesh, who's written Shubmangal Savdhan, that they write such progressive characters for me. And of course, there has to be something that you connect with when you're reading a script, when you're reading a character, and I think the confidence that these three girls have is something I connected with the most. Like, you know, Dum Laga Ke Aisha मैंने अभी recently देखी, and I was so impressed with the film. I'm not going to talk about my part in the film, but I was so impressed with the film because एक scene है जब सुहागरात के बाद, सुहागरात वो कमरे में रुकी होती है, आयुष्मान आता है और वो बोलती है जी कपड़े चेंज कर रहे हैं, कहाँ जाऊँ? तो आयुष्मान बोलता है यही कर लो, एंड ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू से दैट आई विल गो आउट ऑफ द रूम एंड यू चेंज, पर वो बोलती है ठीक है, और वो शुरू हो जाती है. एंड यू नो शी इज़ अ बिग गर्ल, एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ, शरद हैज़ दैट वन सीन हैज़ जस्ट शोन दैट this character has no inhibitions. She's such a confident girl. So, you know, I think more than the person I am, I'm lucky that these characters have come to me, and I think through every character I learn इतनी skill एक actor की. An actor is so lucky because in every character आपको इतने different skills learn करने पड़ते हैं. You're constantly updating yourself as a human being. You're constantly increasing your knowledge. You're constantly challenging yourself. So, you know, you're always at it, and I'm just like glad that I hope such characters keep coming.
No, absolutely.
Hello everyone, I'm Bhumi Pednekar.